Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco M3 Pro and let me show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage, and now let's move to left side and tap to settings to open them. Here let's focus on second option, smart suggestions. When we pick them we get access to scan QR codes option. So by using the button from the right, we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep it turned on, because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. Now you can do it by just putting them inside your camera, and you don't need any other app to do it. Here we have also short info that only the rear camera can scan QR codes in the photo mode, so of course we have to remember to stay on back camera with this photo mode here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.